Hi everyone, Shane Smith with Boardtronics. In this video we're featuring the new SuperParts Control Panel for E-Series OSMAC. Now this product is a direct fit replacement for your existing receiver decoder boards. Just remove your existing decoder board and plastic bezel, drop in the SuperParts Control Panel upgrade kit, and you're ready to go. The SuperParts Control Panel delivers all the functionality of your existing decoder boards, but adds a full-feature keypad for hands-on control of your satellite. When we created this product, one of our top priorities was ease of use. That's why when you boot up Control Panel for the first time, we walk you right through the initial setup process, leaving out all the guesswork. Here's what you'll see when you first fire up the Control Panel. After a couple of welcome screens, you'll be asked for your radio frequency. By being able to type it in yourself and change it whenever necessary, you eliminate the possibility of incorrectly programmed decoder boards. The next item Control Panel requests is the satellite address. With Control Panel, all you have to do is key in your address and hit enter. With the existing decoder boards, you have to use physical dip switches that are confusing to set up and prone to failure when in wet and humid environments. After you've entered your radio frequency and satellite address, just set your current time and day and you'll be ready to water. The rest of Control Panel's features like satellite diagnostics, manual and programmed irrigation, and the signal test function are just as easy as the new system setup. Now let's talk about some of the hardware engineering we did with the Control Panel. Our top priority in this area was upgrading the antenna system. This is because we've heard years worth of feedback from superintendents complaining about inconsistent reception with their OEM boards at longer distances. As you can see here, the OEM decoder module uses a 6-inch wire antenna, commonly referred to as a whisker antenna. But when you have a 6-inch whisker antenna that needs to stand vertically and you only have around 3 inches of space between the lid of the controller and the decoder board, the antenna is going to bend. Now for this style of antenna to work correctly in this application, it should be standing perfectly vertical to match the polarity of the radio waves as they travel from your rooftop antenna to your field satellite. According to our testing, the antenna's effectiveness is roughly halved as the lid of the controller is closed on it. This is why we chose an antenna and metal bezel design for the Control Panel that allows for the antenna to not only remain in a fixed vertical position, but be well grounded with the rest of the electrical circuitry. Our testing has shown the Control Panel receiving at more than double the distance of OEM decoder boards with bent over whisker antennas. Another common issue that we resolved with the Control Panel was the weather damage to the circuitry. Contrary to OEM decoder boards with exposed circuitry, the Control Panel utilizes a durable plastic casing which protects all critical components from the elements and the common problem of controller leaks. The Control Panel provides a full keypad for manual station watering as well as scheduled irrigation, and also features a backlit LCD for easy programming at all times of day. And with the controller diagnostics, which include a radio signal strength meter, live voltage readings, and output module status, the Control Panel blows away your existing receiver decoder boards, and priced at only $399.95, I'm positive that you will not find a better value for your E-Series OSMAC controllers. The Control Panel, as well as every other SuperPart, includes a 90-day money-back guarantee, as well as our industry-leading 10-year limited warranty. Meaning if it fails for any reason that's not visible, such as a burn mark on the PCB from a lightning strike, call us and we'll send you a replacement. And don't worry, the SuperParts Control Panels are in stock, ready for immediate shipment. They can be purchased online at boardtronics.com, 24/7, 365, and all online orders include free 2-day UPS delivery. Or give us a call, our customer service staff will be eager to serve you. Thanks for watching.